what's up Nigeria, what's up Lagos City? How many other places also known as Olamond Naija, right here at the Santos Club One Club for our own homie, Sammiehyper'S birthday party. Guess what? We have a lot of crazy entertainers tonight to celebrate our own homie, Sammiehyper'S. Stay tuned, go nowhere, we'll be right back.
I can feel it in my body and soul, and I take it anywhere I go. I come from the ghetto, live in the ghetto, cause I see from the ghetto. Too much vibe in the ghetto, smoke with the boys, we chop in the ghetto. Everywhere I want to go, more money on the gas we go. We pop for the vibe all day, smoke all day. We're living that street, you know. We're living that life, you know. Don't go.
So I live nice.
Right,
in the place.
My name is Piper.
Piper.
Yeah, Piper.
That name sounds entertaining. Are you an artist?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you do? Afro pop, hip hop?
Yeah, more of hip hop.
More of hip hop. Okay. If you have to describe Sammiehyper in one word, what could that be?
Let me just say wonderful.
Okay.
He's a very wonderful, caring friend because I've known him since childhood.
Childhood?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your best wishes for him?
Yeah, more life.
More life?
More life.
Just more life.
Happiness.
More happiness.
And more experience.
More experience. Thanks so much, bro.
Hi.
Your name, please.
JK Diamond.
Can you speak louder a bit?
JK Diamond.
JK Diamond. If you have to describe Sammiehyper in one word, what could that be?
It's a whole vibe.
The whole.
It's a whole vibe.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's a lovely person.
So what are your best wishes for him?
I wish him long life and prosperity. I wish him good health, and we all know Nigeria economy now. I just wish that Nigeria does not Nigeria him and he excel in everything he does.
Amen.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, the celebrant, my homie, my G. My best wishes for him is long life and prosperity.
Amen.
More goals. Everything is like he wants in his life. If you should pray at this moment and ask God, He's going to grant it for him, because a personality like him is somebody that you wish all the best for. Open-minded, easygoing. He's always helping anybody he can help, connecting, like no now. So that kind of person deserves the best, and everything he wish himself, I wish him. If you wish him the best, I wish him the best.
I wish my guy like long life and prosperity, more funds, more speed to his D. You're going to understand that one. Sammy is my homie, he's my G, like right from day one. Sammy is my G.
Everybody just saying it's my G, it's my homie. None of you have said maybe he's a colleague or a business partner.
Even if he's a colleague, he's still my homie.
He's your homie.
He's still my homie.
Alright, thanks so much for thank you.
Music is my peace, music is my G. Music is that thing that gives me melody. I can feel it in my body and soul, and I take it anywhere I go. So I come from the ghetto, live in the ghetto, cause I see from the ghetto. Too much vibe in the ghetto, smoke with the boys, we chop in the ghetto. Everywhere I want to go, more money on the gas we go. We pop for the vibe all day, smoke all day. We're living that street, you know. We're living that life, you know. Don't go.
Alright, Lagos City, the major reason why we are here tonight is right here beside me. I mean, the celebrant himself, Sammiehyper. Bro, what's up? How are you doing tonight?
I'm good.
I know you are happy, so I don't need to ask you how you're feeling. So tonight is your birthday. So what can you say about the whole achievement so far, from childhood to the stage you have right now in your existence?
I said it.
You
know, I said it.
I said it. I said it. I think it's one of your song titles, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that was said to me. You know, but when I mean by I said it, I mean like I said this was going to happen, and I did it.
Wow. So I know there has been up and down concerning the growth of every human. But tonight you are a champion, you are a leader, you are a living hero to other youth watching you as you're climbing that great ladder. So tonight, what do you have to say? What do you have to say tonight?
I just want to say, whoever is trying to do something like this, or whoever has a dream of pursuing, just don't give up on yourself. You know, like, bless up, my nigga.
Wow. So, who are the people you would love to give a vote of thanks to, or to give a shout out to?
I want to give shout out to my woman, Nini. Baby, if you're saying this, you know I love you, because without you, this won't happen today. And I got you, man.
Wow. You're making me to even feel more emotional tonight. So, tonight is your birthday, and there are a lot of celebrities in here, a lot of entertainers in here, both in music and movie industry. Even myself, Olamond Naija, I am here tonight, for my whole home. So, what are the best wishes you can wish yourself in coming years?
I expect more for myself. This is just my first show. I'm doing my birthday / my concert, like hyper show. This is just about what I do. I love music, so I'm gonna keep pushing. Yeah.
So for the other youngsters out there that want to be like you, that want to do things of this kind, what are their advice you would love to give to them?
As long as it's the music way, let it be the music way.
You keep pushing. Thank you very much.
Music is my peace, music is my dream. Music is that thing that gives me melody.
Keep watching Olamond TV. What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Hyper, and I'm hanging out with Olamond, and keep watching Olamond TV.
Hi guys, we've come to the end of the celebration of our homie Sammiehyper, yes, of Lagos. You know what? You can keep following us on all our social media handles at Olamond Naija TV.